Welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Bianca, and on this channel we make simple homemade recipes. For dinner tonight, we are gonna make beef enchiladas. Right now, I have 1 pound of ground beef on the cast iron on medium-high heat. We're gonna cook it down a bit, and then we're gonna add some taco seasoning. It's almost cooked down. We are gonna add our taco seasoning. We just have homemade taco seasoning, but you could definitely just get a pack from the store, and that will do. Okay, we just did a taste test. It just needs a little bit more salt, a tiny bit more taco seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna transfer this to a bowl, and then I'm going to saute some onion and garlic. Put a little bit of oil. Oops. I'm gonna throw a little bit of salt, pepper on it. I have a can, I should have showed you, but a can of just red enchilada sauce. We are going to put it on the stove. These are looking good, so we are now gonna add some garlic to cook down with it. Okay, let me turn off the heat. I don't want this to burn. I'm gonna add the beef back. I have the enchilada sauce warming up, and we are gonna set our oven to 350. So I just warmed up some corn tortillas in this tortilla warmer in the microwave just to make them more pliable. Now, this is probably the best investment that I have in my kitchen. It is very cheap. Not only can you heat up tortillas, but you could heat up bread, rolls, anything of the sorts, and you could even set it on your table for dinner and it will keep everything warm. To put some at the bottom. Now we're assembling our enchiladas. So we're gonna get a tortilla, put some meat, cheese, roll it up. If the tortilla breaks a little bit, that's okay. And you wanna make sure where the tortilla overlaps, that's at the bottom, so everything kind of stays in that tortilla. Now we're rolling up our last tortilla. I only have one hand because my child's in my arms. So we are going to put the last little bits in there, and we are going to cover all our enchiladas in the enchilada red sauce, and then we are going to top it with taco cheese. Now we're going to bake our enchiladas for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we are going to broil for about 5 minutes or until the cheese on top is golden. Here's the final product. These were delicious and very simple to make. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay tuned for more simple homemade recipes, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing. See you next time.